Maymay, Zaya, Vicky, Jillian, and Victoria.
Okay, so punta naman tayo sa recipient ng Best Performer in Pop Song. Sino kaya? Bilisis ba o Taguban Branch? Okay, ang hard rock ng Top SEC, Francis Aaron Kikiko of Taguban Branch. Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient for the third most promising artist 2013 for Villasis Branch, we have Johnson Ray B. Peña. And for the Gupan Branch, we have Elia Kim Aquino. A warm round of applause. Who do you think is this year's second most promising, Ginger?
Well, the names are in this envelope, my man.
Names? So there are more than one.
Exactly. There are 3 actually, and they are for Villasis Branch, John Kenneth Vallejo, Tyrus Jana Bryson Bonita.
For the Gupan Branch, we have Miss Sophia Dion S. Ferrer.
The name of this year's most versatile performer is at my hand. This artist can sing all the genres as far as music is concerned. Wouldn't it be fun? Well, let's all give a round of applause. Miss Gladys Acosta of Villasis Branch. How about you, bro? What's in store for you? I am very honored too to announce who this year's Total Performer awardee. Do you have something in mind, bro? Well, for sure. Let me see if my choices are just reserved of reserves, bro. So let's not keep them waiting any longer then. Can you join me in reading their names together? A warm round of applause to Natalie Mark Banyalan and Valera Espadis Aaron Tinsuico. This next award will go to the students who showed a super duper confidence in and out of the training workshop class. This year's recipients are for Villasis Branch. Please join me in welcoming Johnson Ray B. Pena and Jeffrey Jan C. Javales for the Gupan Branch. Another one of applause.
Sige, so it's your own, guys. What's next?
Awardees captivated the audience heart with their extraordinary outfits during their practical concert last May 19 at Robinson State. Let me read first the recipient of the Gupan Branch, and she is none other than Charmaine Lane O. Ann.
Upon seeing all the pictures roll around his timeline at Facebook, they are truly deserving. And now, it's time to meet the Villasis Branch recipient of this award. Please join me in welcome Jamie C. Suarez. Dagupan branch, Mary Crystal Nicole O. Young. The next award has excelled both in slow song, steel, and fast song. That's why she is called the best practitioner of this year's branch. And this year's recipient is the sensible diva, Anika Bettina F. Bonifacio of Urdaneta City. The next award claims to be the most improved Saturn City student of 2013. These are those who started from excellently nothing to a star of their own right and now enjoy the zest and glamour that only Saturn City can give. And these year's recipients are, for relatives, we have Andrea J. Gathering Season Talent. This next award was won by the crowd with their witty and charm, with their ability to carry a show which enables the audience to make fun of what they do on the stage. With this, they are being called the darling of the crowd. And actually, as a center, this year's batch from the Dagupan branch. Let me call in my bro, the darling Francis A. Ortiz-Rico on the Dagupan branch. J.J.C. Tua and actor Celeste P. Sustilio really have this batch respectively.
Alright, let's say congratulations to all the recipients and winners of the award. Also, thank you to our presenters. Thank you so much, Adam Moore, Jack, Lee, Kyle, Ginger, Maymay, Zaya, Vicky, Julia, Victoria, and Elaine. Thank you so much. Another word of applause. We have one more step coming your way. Later on that includes some of the major awards, including Little Miss and Mr. Pop MTZ and the Mr. and Miss Teen Pop MTZ. Thank you. Aside from developing your kids' talent in singing, we also, here at Pop MTZ, we also try to establish how they communicate with the people who are there on the stage. So pabigyan po natin tuwing kasama-sama yung mga bata, we have to listen, we have to appreciate that somehow they are doing a very